there, and welcome to UK Lockpickers, and welcome to our August giveaway. What we are giving away to not just one but two lucky subscribers is a 5-lever Mortice pick set for picking locks such as this and this. And we're also giving away our 31 pack dual gauge trifold lockpick set. And as with all UK Lockpicker home branded products, we also give a selection of stickers, and what's included in the 31 pack is 16 picks, and you get 16 tension tools. And this is our 5-lever Mortice pick, and what you get in this is a set of grub screws, spare ones. You also get some stickers, tension bar to put the key into, and you get some wires, 2 lefts, high and a low, and UK Lockpicker engraved wire holders. So as I say guys, it's not just one person that can win this, it's also 2. So what do you need to do to be able to win this prize? Well, the first thing you need to do is like this video, which is down there, and you also need to be a subscriber to this channel, and you also need to pop over to Facebook. We have a group on there, and the description will be below, so please do click on the arrow where you will see a selection of links. Please check these links out, and we shall see you next time. Please also comment. That's also one of the rules as well. So you need to like this video, share it if you like, and comment below, and then check out the links. Head over to our group, because it's somebody from our group on UK Lockpickers on Facebook that win our prizes. So thanks for watching this video, and good luck to everybody, and see you next time.